Hi friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your problem that you have on Facebook Lite. To know how to fix or how to solve your Facebook Lite app, you should just go to settings. Here we click apps, default apps, app settings. Then you will enter to the window of Facebook Lite and you will click here. After that, in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Here we click clear cache. Then we can go to Play Store. You can search about Facebook Lite. And if you find, you will click here update as you see to update your app. So please don't forget to support us, bell icon and subscribe. See you next time.